Hey guys, this is RB the Garden Nanny, and today is number 5 video in the series What's Growing and What's Beautiful in My Garden. Today's plant is Herbstonne or Autumn Sun Green-Eyed Coneflower. Come take a look. When this plant is in bloom, I am so excited. I'm excited because it is tall, it is yellow, it is bright and cheery, and the pollinators just love it. I have 3 of them. I bought this plant to cover up things that I really don't want to see. And there's nothing wrong with that. I just would prefer to have a plant versus a fence. And this does it for me. This plant is just awesome. It is like on steroids with all the blooms. And it's called Autumn Sun Green-Eyed Coneflower. It comes out a little close to autumn. Of course, I'm not in autumn yet. It's still July. The end of July. We're getting ready to go into August, but it comes out when things are starting to look a little tired, and this just shines, and I love it. I love it for that reason. I found out about this plant through P. Allen Smith's YouTube channel, and I knew I had to have it. Now you will have to stake this plant because it's pretty tall. It's about 7 feet or more. This is its 2nd season here, and it came as a 4.5 inch plant. Can you believe it? So yeah, I just stake it up against my fence, which is not a problem. You won't be disappointed putting this plant in your garden. It is just, it's a winner. It's magnificent. It's just beautiful. All those adjectives, this delivers with that. So yeah, this is what's beautiful and what's growing in the garden today. And if you have not subscribed and want to continue to see this series, please subscribe. I would love to have you in my family of YouTubers. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.